Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 17 of our magic book journey. So, yes, how is everybody feeling? How are you today? Can everybody hear me?
Yes, awesome.
Say, I'm on top of the world. Today, we are going to make our magic checks.
Oh, wow, great.
So, yes, anybody has anything to share after doing the visualization yesterday for our health? And after doing your magic practice or any other magics, new magics have come in your life, anybody wants to share anything, you can unmute yourselves and share. How was it yesterday? Any unusual thing happened? Yes, no? If nothing happened, right? No, if something happened, you can share. Yes, Hina ji, you have anything to share?
नहीं वो कल विजुअलाइजेशन के बाद तो बहुत ही अच्छा फील हुआ था। फिर सुबह में मैं मॉर्निंग में भी मेडिटेशन के लिए बैठी थी, तो मैं वैसे वो पलाठी लेके नहीं बैठ सकती हूँ, पर आज पूरा मैंने 20 मिनट वो पलाठी लेके बैठी। फिर कोई इश्यू नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने पहले से मेरे नी को मैंने ब्लेसिंग्स दे दिए थे ग्रेटिट्यूड के। मैं पूरे आराम से बैठ रही हूँ और तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, तो वो अच्छा फील हुआ मुझे मॉर्निंग में।
Wow, very nice. Awesome. तो आप आज 20 मिनट तक बैठ पाए थे?
हाँ हाँ।
Awesome. Lovely. Okay, thank you. Thank you for sharing. Who else? Who else wants to share? And today is a very, very powerful day in our Hindu calendar. It's Mahashivratri also. So, and we are going to make our magic check. So, my invitation to all of you is that whatever you have experienced in all these days, share today. Even if
एक्चुअल
it's a
में ये एक्चुअल में अपना ये मैजिक वर्ल्ड है, वो जो सागर जैसा है, तो इसमें जितने भी डीप जाएंगे वो मर्जीवा बन के हमको अंदर उतरना है और एक एक मोती को बाहर निकालना है। वैसा ही है, जब जब वहाँ जहाँ जहाँ पे आप विजुलाइज करो, वहाँ वहाँ आप ग्रेटिट्यूड देंगे या ब्लेसिंग देंगे, तो अपने आप रिजल्ट अपने को मिलना ही है। पर
हाँ
अपने
जी,
को, हाँ, अपने को वो चाहिए कि कहाँ पे हमको ये करना है, वो हमारा क्लियर है तो सब कुछ आसान है।
यस। कहाँ पे नहीं, हर जगह पे
हर
करना है।
जगह।
हर
हाँ हर।
जगह पे करना है, इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ एक सेल्फलेसली करना है, नॉट विथ एनी निस्वार्थ भाव से करना है।
यस यस यस। अब तो वो चला ही गया है कि कुछ कुछ इंटेंशन के लिए करे, वो तो अब निकल ही गया है, अपने आप अंदर से ही आ रहा है कि नहीं, इसके लिए हमको ग्रेटिट्यूड करना है।
यस, दैट्स रियली रियली ट्रू, रियली ट्रू। एंड विश्वा इज नॉट कमिंग ऑल दीज डेज।
उनकी एग्जाम्स चल रही है ना, तो वो मॉर्निंग में उनकी क्लास है, तो वो अर्ली मॉर्निंग चली जाती है। इसकी 6 o'clock को उसको जाना होता है, तो फिर वो रेडी
ओके,
होके। हाँ।
कैसी है वो? हाउ इज शी डूइंग? एग्जाम्स आर वेल?
ऑल वेल, यस यस, शी इज फाइन।
लवली।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। So yes, what about the others? You want to ask anything? You want to share anything before we start our session today? Nobody wants to ask anything. You're clear with everything. Okay, जिन लोगों ने मैजिक चेक लास्ट सेशन में बनाई थी, did anybody receive your magic check? किसी को मिली मैजिक चेक?
नहीं, एक्चुअल तो नहीं, पर मनी फ्लो तो स्टार्ट हो गए, वो तो रियलाइज किया.
ओके, सो आपने जो अमाउंट, आपने कितने चेक्स लिखे थे?
एक ही चेक लिखा था.
ओके, एंड उसमें जो उस जिस डायरेक्शन उसमें जो आप विजुलाइज कर रहे हो, whenever are you visualizing, आप ले रहे हो चेक को और विजुलाइज कर रहे हो अमाउंट?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, यस.
हाँ, तो आपने जिस एरिया के लिए विजुलाइज किया था, उस एरिया से रिलेटेड यू आर गेटिंग मनी और अदरवाइज?
नहीं, अदरवाइज.
ओके, लवली लवली,
इट्स बेटर. आई एम हैप्पी.
नाइस नाइस, लवली. Okay, let me see who all are there. Okay, these are all you people. Yes, Uma, would you like to share anything? We'll start our session at 6 o'clock, another 5 minutes from now. So, yes. Uma, are you there? Who would like to read today? किसे पढ़ना है? Hina ji?
Hina, yes.
Read in another few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually the structure of the book is designed so beautifully that for last 2 days we have been doing, we did on our relationship, then we yesterday was about health, and of course the other past, the chapters which we have done in the past. Lekin, you know, when we stepped into week 3, as we know that in week 1 we learned how to crawl, in week 2 we learned how to walk, the book taught us how to walk. Now in week 3 the book is teaching us how to run. And don't you feel actually now you've started running in the world of magic? Yes, no? Are you feeling that you've really started
Yes.
running? Lovely,
Yes.
lovely.
Running
Yes.
and jumping also.
Wow, so nice. So now,
Yeah, so true.
yeah. So so now since we have started running and jumping and maybe jogging, whatever we are doing in week 3, now today is the chapter of making the magic check. So if you are, if your relationships are resolved, the area of your relationship is better, and you're happy in that space, if the area of your health is better and you're happy in that space, then money flows on its own. It will come on its own without you doing anything. I mean, you will have to do, but without much effort, because you are already grateful in the area of relationship, in the area of health. And we know health is wealth. So now is, so this, the structure of the book is so scientifically made, it's so scientifically designed that every chapter there is a reason why, the previous chapter and the previous chapter, and then comes the area of money. So first it was relationship, as we did in day first week also, day, it was day 3, yeah. So we did relationship, then we did health, and then money came. So we have already covered 2 chapters on money. The first was money magnet, which was for the past money, which, or whatever money we had, and we made the the note on which we wrote na that thank you for all the money that I have been paid throughout my life. And then was money. So first was magic money, and then was money magnet, in which we paid all our bills. You know, the unpaid bills and the paid bills. How do we? So everybody is still doing that. Whenever each
Yes,
time you
yes,
receive your bills, yes, no.
yes, yes, yes.
Lovely, lovely, amazing. So just keep on doing it throughout your life. And today we'll be dwelling into the area of money, wherein for all, so money which we want to receive. And the world of money, as we know, is full of energies. Money is in its actual form, it is a form of energy, but so I mean, let's understand it in terms of energy. And what do we do with energy? We can change the energies of anything. As we can change our own energies, we can change the energy of money also. So we, as we go through the chapter today, just look into yourself and see कि money के area में आपके क्या what are your beliefs in as regards money is there, which we have heard from our childhood, through our parents, through our teachers, through our elders, and we have developed these beliefs about money. And कमाल की बात ये है कि majority of the world's money and riches is in the hands of only 10% of the people. And why is it like that? Because they are the people who have already developed that connection, that relationship with money, wherein they are always grateful. They started their life journey with being grateful. They didn't have those negative beliefs about money. It's simple as that. And their feelings about money is always good, always good. That is how. And they have that, the respect for money, and that is the reason they have so much in their lives. It's simple as that. So, when we are reading the chapter today, just look into yourselves, your relationship with money. क्या है आपके relationship? Are you satisfied with whatever money you have today in your life, or you want more? You want to fulfill your dreams. You want to fulfill your dreams, and money is one form of, it is one of the simplest forms of energy exchange that we can do to receive our dreams, to fulfill our dreams. Yes, so now we can start reading today's chapter. So how many of you are ready to make your magic check? Yes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Lovely, lovely. Only 2 yeses? Okay, yes. Okay, lovely. 3 yes. Okay. Lovely.
Yes.
Yes, awesome. So yes, so now let's decode this picture. Let's think out of the box. Let's see what each object signifies. So we are seeing the object, we are seeing a telephone, it's on a table, it's an office table. Then this feels, what is this? This long thing. What does this feel to y'all?
Seal?
Sorry?
वो स्टैम्प होता है, सील वो है?
जो स्टैम्प लगाते हैं.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
Okay, what everyone else, what does this feel to you? ये क्या है? Come on, everyone, use your imagination.
It looks like a trophy to me.
टेलीफोन का रिसीवर है.
नहीं वो नहीं.
This standing thing.
हाँ.
लग रहा है आपको? Okay, lovely. Okay. Someone else said something.
To me, it looks like a trophy.
It looks like a trophy.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
लैंप है? नहीं, लैंप तो नहीं.
What about others? क्या है ये?
स्टैम्प जैसे ही लग रहा है.
Okay. Okay, so now okay, let me go to the next page. What, so this is also there on the table. What is this?
Check.
And the check is inside a purse. And this check is a blank check.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me one thing. If we make the check, I mean, if you keep on thinking, if we have made our dreams and we keep on thinking, and you know that yes, I have got it, I've received it, and you're not doing anything, you're not, there's no action from your side. आप मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हो, तो will you receive the money? Yes, no.
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 Obvious now we will not receive. So this place, what we are seeing, this picture, what we are seeing is our work table. You know, the universe is telling us to be, to, you know, to karm karte jana hai, action oriented life. You know, never sit at one place, just run. And this is coming, see, magic check could have come in the second week or the first week also, na. It could be possible, but it's coming in the third week, wherein we are learning to run. So now the book is telling us, this chapter is telling us, so you know, there are many hidden riddles in this, in every chapter, in every picture, you know, and in every line of this book. So I'm so surprised that every time I see a picture, I must have seen this picture so many times before, but today, when I'm seeing, yesterday night also I saw, today morning also I saw, but just now there's a different meaning which is coming when I'm seeing this picture. And this is the beauty of this book. That's the reason we keep on repeating. There is never an end to the repetition that we can do for this book when it comes to reading or seeing anything. So, you know, so right now when I'm seeing is that you are always rewarded when you are. So there's one person who saw, could feel, you know, Asia, you felt that this is like a trophy. And I also felt, you know, when I saw just now that in the morning also I felt that it looks like a trophy to me and there's a stand. You know, so if we look from that way, that you're always rewarded, hard work is always rewarded. Okay, and if you look at the way, you know, it's a stamp which you put on you know, which is put on a check. So looking from that angle, if you see that the universe has already, you know, so when we go to a bank to deposit a check, wo stamp lagate hain na. So the universe has already given you, you know, you have
Clear
already
it.
got your magic check. Okay, so that is the way if you look at it. So then you feel really good. And this is a blank check. There's nothing written on a check. So at the end of the chapter, the book has given us a blank check. So the universe is always giving us a blank check. You just have to ask for it. And when you ask for it, you have to believe in it. When you believe in it, you will receive it. Those three steps of manifestation: ask, believe, and receive. So, uh, so you know, what is the first step? Hard work. Second step, hard work means not slogging, but you know, intelligent hard work, wherein you are grateful. So most, so this magic is falling on everything now, especially on the uh, these little parts of your work, your workplace, and especially it's falling on the check and the purse. Okay, so you know, this signifies that if you are grateful in the area of money, which already we have covered two chapters, and you know, now it's assumed that yes, we are really grateful in the area of money, and if we are still not able to fulfill our desires in the area of money, which means that the level of gratitude which we have for the area of money is less. मतलब complaining ज़्यादा है और gratitude कम है. तो अब हमें अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देखना है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. You know, where are we going? Where is our action? How is our action oriented when we are talking about money? So we all have the free will. So let's use our free will to fill the magic check which we are going to fill today, and you will be getting. So what I felt was last time I think Hina ji you had shared that check, na? In the last session,
Yeah.
you had shared a check. I'm going to share the same check today in the group, and we can make a printout of that check, because it's really a magical check and it really feels good and really feels real when you are writing on the check. So, my suggestion is that we can just all use that check. And so now we are done with decoding the picture. Now, let's start reading the chapter.
Yes. Happy morning to all. Have a magical day to all.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Uh, in the magical universe, there are no uh,
Coincidences.
coincidences, and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen.
Very, very powerful lines. I think this is the most powerful quote from the entire book. In the magical universe, now we have experienced the universe, the magical universe, where the magical world. कौन सी magical world जिसमें there are no logics. There is only magic happening, and the moment you bring in logic, the magic will be diluted. तो अगर concentrated magic को अगर experience करना है, तो then we really have to, drop the logics in the mind, and then we'll keep on experiencing magic. And we are in the magical universe right now. We have felt it now. All of us have felt it in some part, some way or the other. And there are no coincidences. Only if you will, then something happens. Koi bhi, unless and until you want it to happen, it will not happen. So, the circle is always started by you. Nothing happens by chance in this universe. And so we can see why this lockdown happened. Because somebody, over mass way mein, there was something, there were a lot of complainings used to it was happening, which we are not able to see, but there were a lot of things when it came to nature, when it came to relationships, when it came to career, people were taking it for granted. So that's the reason now the universe said, the nature said, okay, now I'm showing you. And that is why this lockdown happened. And we all can see that after the lockdown, how life, how things, how our perceptions have changed. कैसे हमारे thought process, हमारी feelings in all the areas of our life has changed. Yes, no?
Yes, absolutely,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. So then, so the universe has its own way of showing and explaining and teaching things to us. It's upon us how we take it, and now it's upon us how we take it further. Once we have learned the lesson from the lockdown, and still, people are learning the lesson. But, and surprisingly, so, many people whom I met in the last 1 month, or maybe, when things are opening and becoming normal. So it's inquisitively, I ask people, ki kya aapne, what have you learned in the lockdown? And there are many people who have just whiled away their time. They've just, just kuch nahi kiya, nothing they have done. And they say that no, nothing, we didn't learn anything, and they start complaining about the lockdown. So again, it's each one's perception, and there are many who actually have learned so many things from the lockdown. So again, it's always, there are two parts in the world. Always, it will be always. Even when we are stepping. So now it's the stepping stone of we are entering into the new world. That is what I see when I look at the bigger picture after the lockdown. And many things will change in this year and the next year also. So people who have accepted the change, they will move forward. People who are not accepted the change, they will keep on complaining and stay where they are. So this is what happens in the magical world also. Na? People who have accepted the magical world, they are experiencing new magics in their life. And people who are just reading it like a book, and like any other book, and not entering deep inside it, and not experiencing what they that this book is telling them to experience, then the magics will be little less in their life. So nothing happens by coincidence. It is, the ball is rolled from your end only, and it comes back to you. Whatever you have given, it's going to come back to you. Unless and until you will, it's not going to happen. So why this, this quote is written in the beginning of the chapter, that whatever you will, when you're writing your magic check, it will be given to you. The universe says, Tathastu. Your wish is my command. With whatever feeling, with whatever thoughts you are filling the check, and of course, gratitude. Your gratitude is most important. Not only in the area of money, in every area. It's not that ki khali hum money ke area mein hi gratitude karte rahenge, so we'll get more and more money. Of course, there are so many other areas which is dependent on before we actually manifest in this area. Okay, and all the successful people, all the people who have been successful, in the area of money, who have all the riches, they are following this. They are actually following this. If we read the autobiographies of people, we will, how they used to think, the way they used to think, the way they used to feel, the way they used to act is completely whatever this chapter is telling us. Yes, please continue.
Yes. William S. Burroughs, 1997, writer and poet. When you direct gratitude's magical power toward any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money. All, ba- all bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it a little more.
Yes, so the first, yeah, so we'll pause here. The first para tells us that to create a new neuro pathway in the brain, to reverse a habit, to reverse a belief about something. Right now in this chapter, we are talking about money. So, koi bhi agar, a negative condition, a negative habit, a negative belief is there in our mind, तो उसको चेंज कैसे करते हैं? थ्रू कंटिन्यूस प्रैक्टिस, थ्रू कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड प्रैक्टिस. So when we are writing, count your blessings every day, 10 count your blessings, it could be more than that also. And so what are we doing actually? We are changing our energies. We are changing that habit of talking negative in any area of your life. You're starting your day. आपने वो बीज ही सुबह से ऐसे डाल रहे हैं जिससे कि पूरा दिन आप हर समय शुक्राना में रहोगे. So this is how we eliminate the old condition and bring in a new condition. And also in the end of the day, we are doing the magic rock practice. So we are grateful. So, you could write, if people who have not written, count your blessings, or maybe you could write tomorrow. If you've already written, aap kal likh sakte ho all your blessings for money, in the area of money, all the points which you're writing, count your blessings. So you can write for your, how you are grateful for money. Money से आपने क्या क्या किया है आज तक अपनी लाइफ में. So there'll be so many things which you can write, and then your feeling about money will greatly increase, and there will be no feeling of lack of money. And when that feeling is not there, then एक अलग अलग situation आ जाती है आपकी लाइफ में, एक अलग belief system आपका create हो जाता है. A new habit is created in the neuro pathway of the brain, and it takes 21 days for, there's a science which says that it takes 21 days for a new habit to be formed, for an old habit, जो एक old habit जो old रास्ते में हम जाते हैं, वो रास्ता बंद हो जाता है अगर हम concentrated practice 21 days तक करेंगे तो. And then a new path is created, a new neuro pathway is created, जिससे जो nerves, जिससे हमारी messages हमारे brain में जाती है, brain से वापस हमारी body में आता है, and then we start acting in that direction. So this para is actually telling us that the practice of gratitude, if it's concentrated, it's persistent, if it's you're going on doing it every single moment of your life, in every area of your life, then that the negative belief about that thing, particularly about money, since we are in the chapter of money, it gets eliminated and a new condition is created. And all bad feelings about money are pushed away from you. And if you are doing this practice, but if you are not into the practice of gratitude, अगर आप शुक्राना नहीं दे रहे हो, आपको याद नहीं रह रहा है दिन भर में भी, चाहे वो आसपास के लोगों के लिए हो, चाहे वो आपके हेल्थ के लिए हो, and so we just have to look into our life कि हम दिन भर में क्या कर रहे हैं, and we have to catch ourselves, जैसे ही complaining mode में आ गए, उसे अपने आप को hold करना है, अपने आप को catch करना है उस moment में, because every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it a little more. Yes, please continue.
If you
Have
if you have feelings about money like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money, of not having enough money. If you are worried about money, you will receive more worrying situation about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money.
Isn't it? अगर मनी के एरिया में हमको चिंता है, डर है, बिल्स नहीं पे कर पा रहे हैं, रेंट्स नहीं पे कर पा रहे हैं, आउटस्टैंडिंग है, लोन्स देने हैं, तो that continuously you are thinking about that, and every moment in the day you are just thinking about that, or maybe in the beginning of the month and the end of the month you start thinking about that, then unpaid bills, but we have already healed that part of our life, when the chapter told us that you whatever bills you are paying, you write thank you paid, and if you are not being able to pay, then thank you for the money. So we have already covered that. Yes. Anybody wants to say anything? Okay. So law of attraction says, what does the law of attraction say? That whatever you give, it comes back to you. So if you feel simple as that, and if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, एक बार भी अगर वो thought आया ना, so then you will, your energies will change, your vibrations will change. So you will become like a magnet, and we are always like a magnet, whether we want to attract negative situations or good situations which bring us more and more abundance. So agar aapke feelings about money, you're feeling disappointed, and there is sometimes we also get envious and jealous. We see others having all what they want and having all what we also want, and then that feeling starts coming. So that is one of the most negative feelings that one can have. So let's check, maybe abhi nahi samajh aa raha hoga, but when you are in that actual situation, keep on doing a reality check. A reality check when it comes to us, that where am I standing now? What am I feeling? How am I feeling about this person? So always, if you hear that that person has, made so much in his business, or he's been successful in so many things, he's going for a holiday or she's going for a holiday, then just be happy, celebrate their happiness, because ultimately we are coming from the same whole, we are connected. So just when you celebrate in their happiness, it's you know, just think at that time that the universe is giving you an opportunity to you know, to make yourself come out that worried situation which you are having for yourself. I'm just giving you all the options, you know, we just have to check for ourselves that ऐसा हो रहा है क्या मुझे कहीं ना कहीं मेरी लाइफ में, अगर if I'm not able to manifest money, whatever money I have thought for my life, remember, very important, whatever you have thought for your life, not that you're comparing yourself with others and want what that person has. That's not the place where we want to go. So just see where you are today, and at the end of the day just do a self evaluation that what how much whatever I thought have I achieved that in the area of money. If not, then let me increase my goals, let me increase my gratitude. So at the end of the day, just do a self evaluation, a reality check for yourself. And then you will notice where you are going, you know, make goals, short term goals, long term goals. And then, so this book has also told us to make the list, you know, the magical day, the magical to do list and the to do list, which I think it's tomorrow's chapter. We are going to cover on that. So everything has been covered in this book. Only thing is, आपको करना है, आपको experience करना है, not just okay, if I'm not doing today, I'm going to do tomorrow. Just be prompt, because the universe doesn't like delays, it just likes action. So then, you know, so the last four lines, if you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money. So then where do we want to stand, where do we want to stay? The choice is ours. So each one of us have the free will to choose whatever we want to choose, and let us choose wisely. Yes, please continue.
However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing. And gratitude is the guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you are grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feelings that push money away from you, you are doing the very thing that brings more money to you.
Yes, so however difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation. आपका current situation जो भी है, आप उसे एक बार mark कर लीजिए, देख लीजिए. And any lack of money, अगर you know, I'm assuming that if there is any lack of money, चाहे वो आपको business के area में हो, चाहे वो day to day expenses में हो, चाहे वो बच्चों के education के लिए हो, चाहे you know you want to go for a holiday. So any lack of money you're feeling, जैसे ही वो लैक आ जाए, यू नो, दिमाग में आइडेंटिफाई हो जाए, जस्ट स्टॉप योरसेल्फ देयर एंड देयर. एंड व्हाट डू? You be grateful of what all you have been able to get into your life, bring into your life by spending money, you know, by giving money, by using this energy, this mode of energy exchange. So money, we have discussed now, it's just a form of energy. You know, before it I mean, once it's printed, it's just a form of energy. उसको value कब मिलता है? When it goes to a Reserve Bank of India, and then you know, we get. So then the value is added to it. Otherwise, it's just a form of paper money, right? I mean, it's just a form of paper. So any lack of money you may be currently be experiencing, so gratitude, उसको जितना आप शुक्राना दोगे कि आपने क्या क्या उस मनी से आप क्या क्या कर पाए हो आज तक, right from your childhood to the time you're sitting now, You know, just think of all what you are able to do with money. You have a beautiful home to stay. इतनी सारी चीजें आपने घर में इकट्ठी की हैं, furniture है, you know, there are electronical appliances, so many things. When you look around ना, आपको बहुत कुछ दिखेगा. And very, very important, you can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You know, कई बार हमारा दिमाग इतना चालाक हो जाता है कि, you know, I've heard people, you know, when they'll say कि they'll have all their complaints about money, and then they will say मैं complain नहीं कर रही हूँ, but you know this, it's not that I'm complaining, but you've already done the complaint. This is how, you know, we just keep on giving reasonings to जो भी हम बोलते हैं या जो भी हम करते हैं, हम अपने reasonings देते रहते हैं, और हमें ये पता ही नहीं होता कि reasonings हम दे रहे हैं तो हम अपने आप को और सक्सेस की you know पाथ से और दूर लेते जा रहे हैं, ग्रेटिट्यूड के पाथ से और दूर लेते जा रहे हैं. So let's check for ourselves कि हम जब बोलते हैं मनी के एरिया में, so और या फिर हम सोचते हैं या फील करते हैं, especially you know when we give money to others, how do we feel? You know, जब हम if there is only limited amount in our you know in our drawer wherever we keep the money, and when we have to give money, कैसा लगता है? You know, what is your feeling? Are you grateful कि आप ये money pay कर पा रहे हो, ये जो भी आपने खरीदा या आपने सैलरी पे की या you know anything, for all the goods and services, अगर आप पे कर पा रहे हो, are you being grateful? And also, you know, one more thing, I don't know whether I had mentioned this earlier or not, whenever you're giving money to someone, just bless the money and give. Even if it's a 10 rupee note, you know, even if giving it to the vegetable fellow or the fruit fellow, or anywhere you're giving the money, or you know you're giving a big amount of salary to your house help, or you know to your office staff, to your manager, to anybody, so just आप उस money को bless करके दीजिए. And please check your feelings when you're giving the money. Bless कैसे करोगे उसे आप, because money is a form of energy and we are also all forms of energy. तो उस money की energy को आप change कर रहे हो, because actually तो वो money जाएगा ना पूरी, कि जिसके पास भी जाएगा, फिर उसके पास से दूसरे इंसान के पास जाएगा, फिर you know it keep on rotating. Money doesn't stay at one place ना. So and ultimately the beauty is that it will come back to you. तो आपने जिस energy के साथ वो money दी है, उसी energy के साथ में आपके पास वापस घूम के आएगा. तो आप चाहते क्या हो? आप चाहते हो कि वापस अच्छी एनर्जीज के साथ आपके पास आए, जो धन आपके पास आए वो अच्छी पावरफुल एनर्जीज के साथ आए, हैप्पी एनर्जीज के साथ आए, लविंग एनर्जीज के साथ आए, जिससे आपके घर में समृद्धि हो, सुख हो, शांति हो. then you just bless the money and give, even if it's a 1 rupee coin. तो जो भी आपके पास मनी है ना, उसे आप दिन में ही चार्ज कर दीजिए. Beginning of the day only, just charge that money, and not with the feeling of greed but the feeling of gratitude. So this is very important. Just check into your lives every moment. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. तो ये दोनों चीज साथ में एग्जिस्ट कभी भी नहीं हो सकती है. या तो आप ग्रेटफुल होगे या आप वरी होगे. दोनों मिक्स्ड फीलिंग होगा ना, देन यू नीड टू चेक योरसेल्फ एंड यू हैव टू स्टॉप योरसेल्फ देयर एंड देयर, बिकॉज वो नेगेटिव थॉट्स घूम के वापस आपके पास ही आएगी. आप वैसे और नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस अपनी लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट करने लग जाओगे. So that is what you know we are learning, that let's stop doing, if we are doing this till now, if we have been doing this, let's stop doing it, and let's do things which will attract more money into our lives. Yes, please continue.
क्या वंदना जी,
हाँ जी,
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग.
अभी मैंने ऑफिस में ये ट्रेडिशन कर दिया है कि मैं मेरे वेंडर को, जिनको भी मैं पेमेंट का चेक लिख रहा हूँ, वो मैं विशेष के साथ में उनको दे रहा हूँ कि ये जो मेरा पेमेंट उनको दे रहा हूँ उससे उनकी तरक्की हो और उनके अच्छे काम के लिए ये पेमेंट यूज में आए. वो ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ में दे रहा हूँ, तो वो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है. सेम चीज मैंने मेरे अकाउंटेंट को भी बताई है कि जब भी आप चेक लिखो, क्योंकि चेक तो वो लिखते हैं, साइन मुझे करना होता है, तो
हाँ,
जब भी आप चेक लिख रहे हो तब एक फीलिंग के साथ लिखो कि ये जो मैं चेक लिख रही हूँ वो हमारे वेंडर को बहुत अच्छे काम के लिए यूज होगा। तो फीलिंग वेल।
लवली लवली। एंड आप उन्हें समझा भी दीजिए थोड़ा सा कि आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो,
जी।
क्योंकि द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, वो थोड़ा सा आप समझा दीजिए, तो
नहीं, वो
फिर
मैंने
उनकी
समझा
बिलीफ
दिया है।
और पावरफुल हो जाएगी।
नहीं, मैंने वो समझा दिया है।
लवली लवली, नाइस, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग। यस, प्लीज
थैंक यू।
कंटिन्यू।
You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So, before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that avenues that money or risks could come into your life.
Hina ji, just be aware of what you're reading. Money or riches could come into your life. Read
Money
this
or
line
rich,
again.
money or riches could come into your life.
Yes,
Because if you are not grateful each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you.
yes. So now we know that, अगर हम कंप्लेन करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे तो क्या होगा, और हमने ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर ऑल द मनी दैट वी हैव रिसीव्ड एंड कंटिन्यू टू रिसीव, वो हमने ऑलरेडी कर दिया है पिछले चैप्टर्स में। आई एम अज्यूमिंग वी ऑल आर डूइंग, एंड दिस हैज बिकम अ हैबिट फॉर अस। maybe at times because of the old habit is so powerful, हम भूल जाते हैं, but that time we know how to catch, hold ourselves, हम अपने आप को रोक देते हैं उस समय। एंड कैसे होगा ये, जब आप जितना जितना शुक्राना में रहोगे, हर चीज के लिए आप ग्रेटफुल होते रहोगे, then this will happen. And because you're grateful each time, your riches or money increase and you will stop the abundance from flowing to you. अगर हम, if you are not grateful, then what will happen, we know that. So the choice is ours now. What do we want to do, which path do we want to walk in? Please continue.
Money can come to you through receiving and
Money can come to you through receiving
an
an unexpected check,
unexpected check, an increase in salary, a lottery win, a tax refund, or an unanticipated gift of money from someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner when you are about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted.
yes,
When there's a money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. The end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So, whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does these circumstances mean that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving thought that this,
through that circumstance.
through that circumstance.
या सो कैसे हमें पता चलेगा कि मनी के एरिया में हमारा अबंडेंस हो रहा है? इफ वी रिसीव एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड चेक सडनली, पीपल, कुछ जो पेंडिंग है अमाउंट इयर्स बैक, एंड दैट सडनली कम्स अप, सैलरी में इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, अ लॉटरी विन विल बी देयर, a tax refund will come, you will receive unexpected discounts, we all have experienced this, yes, no? Suddenly, when you're buying that thing, आपको पता नहीं है discounted है, when you're buying online or when you're buying on the shelf, and when you're going to pay, that time you know that there is a discount on this. Yes, no, anybody has experienced this over these days?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, and your money also increases when somebody, so अगर किसी ने आपको, आप लोग गए हो साथ में and somebody pays for the coffee, lunch or dinner, or you're about to purchase an item, मतलब आपने सोचा ही है कि मुझे ये चाहिए. Example, I want a new fridge or a new mixer grinder, and a friend of yours calls that, I have this new, do you immediately, this happens, this really happens, कि आपने इधर सोचा ही है और आपको किसी से फोन आता है, मे बी कुड बी योर एनीबडी, योर फ्रेंड और योर रिलेटिव, कि मेरे पास ये एक्स्ट्रा पड़ी है, तुम्हें यूज करना है तो यू कैन यूज, यू कैन टेक इट फ्रॉम मी. So these miracles what happen, they are actually, you have to ask yourself that time, that does this circumstance mean that I have more money? Of course na, you, that moment you don't have to pay money, but you're getting it maybe as a gift, or maybe you can pay to me later, that way. So actually that time you haven't paid any money for that product or for that service. So that means that in the area of money आपका abundance हो रहा है. So the end result of every one of these circumstances that you have more money. So whenever such situations come in our lives, we have to just check कि ऐसा हो रहा है क्या. Suddenly you get a discount, grocery आपने ली है, and suddenly that person will come that you're getting a discount, or maybe you've gone to have lunch or dinner somewhere, you've gone for dinner, and then that day that person comes and this happened actually. So I think about a month back or 15 days back, I think so. We went for after the lockdown, we actually decided that let's go for dinner somewhere. So we went and we were sitting there, and suddenly there was a piece of cake, which was brought. We didn't order for it, but it came. So then that the waiter, he just put it and he said that today is our owner's son's birthday, so we are giving a piece of cake to everyone. And it was, it was, I mean, and it was so surprising that when we went for dinner that day, I thought that I'm going to eat a piece of cake, and that cake comes before only. So like that, you then you feel so grateful that wow, how did this happen? So the universe has its own ways of doing things for you. आप बोल के तो देखो, आप सोच के तो देखो, आप करके तो देखो. Just ask for it with a good feeling, with a good heart, and then you see how things will be attracted towards you. You will become, actually you will be able to attract anything by the click of the fingers. आप ऐसे करोगे and magic will. That's why this book is called Magic, na. That's why this world is called the magical world. And for that, only thing what this book asks is gratitude. Be grateful for anything, whatever you are having. Not going into the complaining mode, not seeing that so when we see a glass which is, there is water, see that part which is full of water, not the part which is empty. So let's see, let's look into our own lives. What are we doing? Yes, please continue.
If you tell a friend you are about to buy an item and the friend uh, offers to you lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you are planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if your lending institution lowers their interest rate, or a service provider offers you a far better package, your money magically increase through the saving of money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive money?
Yeah, so money saved is also money earned or money gained. Very, very important. Look into your lives where you have saved money. These examples, it could any other example. If जब आप देखना शुरू करोगे, when you're aware, when you're present to all the situations in your day-to-day life, या जो हुआ है पहले, आपको suddenly you'll realize, wow, That was the place where I saved money. And this, so if I've saved money, actually there's abundance of money, so I remember when we shifted to this house 8 years back. So when we actually brought the furniture, the ready furniture, and every time, uh, you know, so there was, when the furniture used to come and install हो जाता था, तो उसमें शायद कुछ problems आ जाती थी, and there was a आई मीन कुछ या तो कुछ हिंज कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, या कुछ हैंडल कुछ गड़बड़ है, या सम अलाइनमेंट में कुछ गड़बड़ है. सो देन व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन वाज, व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट टॉक टू द company or the shop from where we have got, we always used to get, so the shopkeeper used to say, okay, I'm giving you one free, one free, it could be, so it happened actually with the shoe rack. The shoe rack, the alignment of the almirah was not proper, the shoe where we used to keep, where we had bought that shoe rack. And then the replacement, instead of replacing it, we actually, the shopkeeper, we were surprised, I don't know, I'm just recollecting now, that actually we got a new one. Instead, instead of replacing that one that is already there, that was already there, and the shopkeeper told us that I'm sending you the new one. So this is how, many things you receive in your life, which actually is doubling of money. And you can see it in your own lives, how you have been getting, but you are, you were not aware of that time, you were not grateful at that time. So it doesn't matter. Now you can think of those things and you can just be grateful. Yes, please continue.
Most likely you have experienced some of these situations in the past, and whether you realized it or not at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all, it's universal law.
Yes, so many people might call it good luck. Wow, I'm so lucky that I had this, I received it. You might share like this, but it's not good luck at all. It's a universal law. It happened because only you attracted it towards you. What is the universal law? Anybody can tell me? What is the universal law? Yes, we have been hearing, reading it so often. What is the universal law?
Like attracts like. Whatever
Yeah.
you give, come back to you.
Give and take.
Yes, but what is the law? Law of
Attraction.
law of
Attraction.
Attraction.
law of attraction. Because of what you manifest things in your life. Yes, please continue.
Any circumstances that result in you having more money or receiving something that cost money is a result of your gratitude. You will feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with your gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance.
Yes, so today is a little long chapter, I just realized. So can we have another reader if anybody else wants to read till the time I'm explaining this? If you want, you can just, anybody else can name themselves and read. So any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that costs money is a result of your gratitude. Yes, we all have understood this now. Yes. You'll feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance. So when we remember the feeling chart, it was first was love, then gratitude, then joy and happiness. So when we do anything with joy, when we combine joy with gratitude, then actually you will not understand, you will actually become such a powerful magnet Real magnetic force means what? Magnet is a magnet only, na? But we have seen some magnets are little weak and some magnets are really, really powerful. So when you combine joy with gratitude, then you actually become a powerful magnet and you will keep on attracting more and more abundance. So हमें क्या चाहिए? Do we all want to become a powerful magnet? Yes, no?
Yes,
Anybody?
Yes.
Lovely, lovely.
Yes.
So
Love.
say it loudly. Yes, we all want to become a powerful magnet. Say it.
Yes.
Yes.
And how will you do it? How will you do it? How will you know that you will become a powerful? By combining joy and gratitude. Feel grateful, feel joyful, both at the same time. Can we do it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you. And now we can start reading. So yes, Ishita ji, you are reading. Okay, please continue.
When I
अभी
arrived,
ये पैरा में मैं ईशिता से कहने ही वाली थी कि ईशु बेटा तू रीड कर, तो आपने बोल दिया और ईशु ने हाँ कह दी. थैंक यू.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hina ji, for reading. And let's Ishita ji read. Yes.
when I arrived in the United States several years ago, I arrived with two suitcases. I worked in a bare bones apartment with my computer on my lap. I didn't have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere. But I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in the United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its four plates, four knives, four forks, and four spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift me a driver and a car for a few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic materials to survive, and then I suddenly had my own personal driver and car. I was grateful, so I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude.
Yes, so when the author Rhonda Bryan is sharing her experience, that when she came to United States, we saw in the Secret movie also that she was just holding two suitcases, and she worked in a bare bones apartment, means जो लगभग खाली apartment है, there's nothing, very less basic necessities, basic furniture, and she writes also, that the bare bones apartment had only four plates, four knives, four forks, and four spoons. I mean, it's when you just read this, how you feel that how she actually was living in that apartment, and she just had two suitcases, and she arrived in United States, so she was all alone, and but still in that space also, space maybe she was so grateful for what? That, for all what she had, not what she didn't have. And so this is quite obvious that she was grateful. Then, she said that when I was grateful, there was a taxi stand right across the street. And then something incredible happened. See, nothing happens by coincidence. She must have, because she was grateful, of course that space in her life was full, it was overflowing, the feeling of gratitude was overflowing from her. That's the reason the universe just came in the form of, that person who decided to gift, why would anybody come and gift you a driver and a car for few months? Why would that happen? Because she willed it to happen. Somewhere she must have thought it, that, oh, I wish, I had a car and a driver because I'm traveling like this, So just, when this thought comes, then, so, this last few lines is telling us she had only a computer and the basic material things to survive. And can you think, that person suddenly has a personal driver and a car? It was so astonishing. And she was so happy for that. She was so grateful for that. And then when she was grateful, I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude. So let's all look into our lives. हमें अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देखना है कि कहाँ पे ये मिस हो रहा है. If magic is not happening, if you are wishing that some magic happens in our life, it's a clear indication कि gratitude उस area में कम है. So right now when we are talking of the area of money, just look into the area of money in your life and see. अगर इस जगह पे you're not able to achieve what you want to achieve, then you have to increase your level of gratitude. You just have to increase your level of gratitude. And actually, this happened to me yesterday. I don't know what happened. There was a lot of complaining about money. So there was complaining about a lot of things, and I was complaining about money with my husband. And suddenly what's happening? I caught myself, and then I said to my husband that I need to increase my gratitude for the area of money now. I have done so many complaints, and I actually sat down and wrote. Today morning also in Count Your Blessings, I just wrote all the things that I'm grateful for money. And my feeling, whatever I had yesterday, whatever I complained, and we know now one complaint is equal to how many blessings? One complaint is equal to 10 blessings.
10.
और मैंने तो इतनी सारी कंप्लेनें की. मतलब today I'm going to sit and write. Yesterday also I wrote, but now I have to still write. More and more blessings about the area of money. So that is how it works. So आप भी अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देखिए, अगर आपने complaints ज्यादा की है, before you make your magic check, just be grateful. Just count your blessings. Just keep on blessing that all the money that you have, all the services that you have, जो आपने money से आप buy कर पाए हो, whether it's the smallest of the things, just bless that thing before you actually make the check. What happens is that when you are blessing, you are actually moving above the line in the feeling chart. You're above the line, you're feeling joyful, you're feeling happy. Even if you're feeling contentment, that also is a good feeling. Satisfaction, that also is a good feeling. But to combine it with joy, it's the magical power increases. You actually become a powerful magnet. Yes, please continue.
Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astounding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the gratitude bank of the universe, and you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money on. Money is a means to what you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you wouldn't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for money.
Yes, so now today we are going to receive a blank magical check, which we are going to fill with our dream amount. And my suggestion, my invitation to all of you is that fill with a small amount first, because then your faith, once you receive that amount, initially, if you can fill with a small amount, whatever is the amount which you feel you want to fill in, it will be your dream amount, of course, and then fill in the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. Only thing, and my request to all of you is that some people actually made a check themselves. They created a check, they took a piece of paper and they wrote all what was written in the check. Please don't do that. Just take a printout, because it feels more real. We all have seen checks in our lives, right? So when we hold that check, because we are going to hold that check once we have made the check today itself, and maybe day after, tomorrow, until the time we uh, receive that magical check. तो जितनी बार आप हाथ में लोगे वो रियल लगना चाहिए आपको. इसीलिए if you make a proper check and not make it with your own hands, then it will be nice for you, because the vibrations will be different. So what you have to do is choose a really specific amount of money, one thing you really want. Most important, कोई भी हवा में कोई भी amount नहीं लिखना है. Whatever you want to buy with that money, उसका amount, उस amount के you feel that amount, you know that amount, किस amount का है आपको जो भी buy करना है. Could be a car, could be a house, could be anything, could be a television set, could be a fridge, could be a furniture which you have been wanting since a long time. So that also, so जो भी है उसका amount आपको पता है, तो you उस amount का आपको fill करना है उस check में. Because क्यों? Because you'll be able to feel more gratitude for money when you know what you're going to spend the money on. And money, या आप कोई charity में देना चाहते हो, तो आपको इतना अमाउंट आपने फिक्स किया है कि मुझे चैरिटी में देना है, उसके लिए मुझे चाहिए, किसी के अपने बच्चे के एजुकेशन के लिए चाहिए. You know the amount, that amount should be there, nothing so this chapter is telling us कि ऐसे कोई भी अमाउंट नहीं लिखना है, आपको कोई स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट लिखना है जो आपको चाहिए. And because it's not the end result, so if you just thought about money per se, you wouldn't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being or grateful for money. Yes, please continue.
You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get an abundance of blank magic checks from www.thesecret.tv/magic-check. If you want, you can start with a smaller amount on your first magic check, and after you receive the similar amount, you can keep
the smaller
increasing-
amount. After you receive the smaller
the
amount.
smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amounts on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did it. You will know absolutely that the magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and joy you feel will make bigger amounts believe to you.
So this word, you will know that you did it. It's written in italicized, words. This word is italicized. So you did it because you started it. You started the circle. You made it happen. It's not because of any other person. You made it happen. You expressed, you increased your gratitude, you manifested it, you thought about it, you visualized it, and then it happened. Nothing happens by coincidence. Because you willed it, it happened. And you will absolutely know that the magic of gratitude worked. If it comes to you, then you'll absolutely know. And you remember those 3 steps when we wrote our dream list. Those 3 steps you will, once you receive the check, then you don't forget to do those 3 steps. Okay. And even when you're visualizing it, you just remember those 3 steps. And the gratitude and joy you will feel will make bigger amounts believable to you. So supposing, if you have written, you've made so why bigger amounts believable to you? Because agar wo chota amount ka check agar aapko mil gaya, then you know that actually abhi to you have an experience, so aapko lag raha hai kya pata, is it possible, is it not possible, that faith has not come as yet. तो छोटा अमाउंट जब आ जाता है ना, then that faith comes, and then you can manifest bigger amounts, and you can believe that yes, it is, I can, I will, I can, I will. That faith, when it comes, then you can do anything. You can manifest any amount of money in your life. Yes, please continue.
Once you have filled in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want the money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money to get the very thing you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can.
So when you hold the check in your hands, the first step is think about that, the specific thing जिसके लिए आपको ये money चाहिए. फिर उसको आपको विजुअलाइज करना है, so these are some of the steps when you want to manifest things in your life. And very soon we'll have a 2-day workshop on manifestation. So I'll just tell the date when, but it will be after we complete this session. So these are the only few steps. There are actually many steps when you want to manifest things in your life, the law of manifestation. So get a picture in your mind. This is the second step, and visualize yourself that actually you are holding that money. You're using that money to get the very thing that you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude. Very, very important. Even when you're saying, I'm feeling on top of the world, wow. So, and then, ऐसे आप बोल रहे, I'm feeling on top of the world. How does it feel? There's a difference, na? So you have put in more energy, excitement, joy, happiness, then actually the mind starts accepting it as real. So be more excited, be more joyful. Just at the beginning of the day, check yourself. Are you excited to be alive? Are you happy to get another day? It's there in front of you, and there's so much to do for the world, so much to do for yourself, so much to do for the family. So just ask these questions to yourself. These questions will drive you to move ahead. It will be, they are, they will help you to achieve your dreams if you are excited, if you are joyful, if you are grateful. Yes, please continue.
Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes, a computer, or a new bed. So picture yourself actually buying what you want in a store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery so you feel excitement and gratitude. You may want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education. So imagine buying your airplane ticket or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and grateful as if you have really received it. After you have completed these steps, take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often on at least 2 more occasions during the day. Today, take the magic check in your hands, picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted, and feel as grateful and excited as you can, as though you are really doing it. If you want, you can do it more times in the day. As with any magical practice, you can't do it too often.
So after आप ये steps complete कर लिए, तो आपने क्या करना है? आपको ये magic check को ऐसी जगह रखना है जहां आप बहुत बार देख सके. It could be in your puja room, it could be in a living room, it could be uh, don't keep it in the almirah or in a drawer. Keep it at a place जहां आप ज्यादा देख सको. और 2 occasions में आपको वो मैजिक चेक को हाथ में लेना है और वही स्टेप्स वापस करने हैं कि आप किस चीज के लिए, अगर ये मनी आ गया तो आप किस चीज के लिए आपने लिखा है. आप मनी अगर आ गया तो आप कैसे ग्रेटफुल होगे, कैसे एक्साइटेड होगे, और वो चीज आपके पास आ गई है ऑलरेडी. इफ इट कुड बी योर एयरप्लेन टिकट और बच्चे के कॉलेज के एजुकेशन के लिए और ओपनिंग अ बैंक अकाउंट, एनीथिंग, जिस भी चीज के लिए आपने विजुलाइज किया है वो आपको ऐसे महसूस करना है कि आपके पास ऑलरेडी आ गई है वो चीज, वो मिल गया है आपको. इट कुड बी अ हॉलीडे, एनीथिंग इफ व्हाटएवर यू वांट द चेक फॉर, जिस चीज के लिए आपने वो चेक फिल किया है. यस, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
At the end of the day, either keep your magic check where you had it, or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You could put it you could put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you have received the money and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want. When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magic way, replace the check with a new amount for something else that you really want and continue the magic check practice as long as you.
Yes, so what do you do? Where do you put? We already discussed कहाँ रखना है. आपको और भी कोई जगह लगे, where you feel that you want to, you can put it there. When you receive the money on your magic check, what do you do? What do? You feel as grateful as you can. Don't forget to be grateful and thank you, thank you, thank you. And you've received the item you wanted to spend the money on, then you can replace the check with a new amount. मतलब उसी में नहीं लिखना है, हाँ, you have to make a new check. Please don't write on the same check. आप दूसरे नया चेक बनाओगे. और my invitation to all of you is that आज ही जब आप प्रिंट आउट निकाल रहे हो तो आप कुछ मैनी एक का प्रिंट आउट मत निकालिए. जितनी 5, 6, 8 जितना भी आपको निकालना है उतने आप प्रिंट आउट्स निकाल के रख लीजिए. तो जब आपको एक चेक मिल गया, again, when you're taking 5, 6 checks or 10 checks का प्रिंट आउट, actually you are giving a message to the universe कि मुझे शायद नहीं, तो इतनी checks आएंगे. आपके दिमाग में ये feeling आ जाती है already. So then once you have received that check, you be as grateful as you can for all that what you are able to do with that money. Replace the check with a new amount for something else. Always remember, we don't write any amount unless and until you know it in your mind क्या चीज के लिए आप ये amount fill कर रहे हो, that you really want. कोई भी random amount नहीं लिखना है. और maybe even if it's supposing you want to write, I want to a check of 700 crores. Now when I am telling you this, it will feel really silly now, that how can you write for 700 crores. But for a person whom I actually know, who has actually filled a check for 700 crores, मतलब आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि आज तो मैं 1 करोड़ भी नहीं कमा रही हूँ और मैं 700 crores कैसे लिख दूँ. But if you really have in your mind पूरा एक structure बना हुआ है कि 700 crores is my dream, that is your dream amount. और आपने पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बना दिया कि इतना मैं इसमें करूंगी, इतना मैं इसमें करूंगी, इससे इतना करूंगी, इससे बिजनेस करूंगी, इतना चैरिटी में दूंगी, इतना किसी के give it to a needy person, or I'll buy a house, or I'll buy this, that, जो भी, everything is structured in your mind, then that also makes sense. It's not that it's you've written it in the air. So wisely choose the amount, and if you've chosen the amount, because universe mein there is only abundance, there is no scarcity in the universe. So make your dreams big. First when you get a smaller amount, you know that you have got it. Now if you can manifest a smaller amount, you can manifest any amount. But again, depends upon the gratitude that you are giving in all the areas of your life, whether you are in that space of gratitude or not. So in the universe, there is nothing that, there is money is money over there. Money is just a form of energy, and energy cannot be defined. It is there, it is there. You can just feel that energy. You can never define any energy. Can you define? अगर आप बोलोगे कि you are feeling the energy of this fruit, this apple I'm holding in my hand, and I'm feeling the energy of this apple. Let's take this example. Can you define the energy? You'll say no, I can only feel it. I can feel the energy. So for the universe, in the world of the magic, there is no scarcity. There is only abundance. Whatever you say, it happens. The universe says, your wish is my command. Only you have to ask with complete faith, complete trust, and gratitude and love. Yes, so now we'll read today's magic practice number 17.
Magic practice number 17, the magic check. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. 2nd, fill in your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. 3rd, hold your magic check in your hands and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Fourth, take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions, take the check in your hands, picture yourself using the money for what you want, and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it. Fifth, at the end of today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the amount on your check, or if you received the item you wanted to spend money on, replace the check with a new amount for something else you want and repeat steps 2 to 4 times. Sixth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day."
Yes, so now there are 4 steps for today's magical practice. Just remember, each time you're making a check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with just इतना ही लिखना है, नाम लिखना है, date लिखना है, and amount लिखना है. 3 चीजें ही लिखनी है. The rest is filled by the universe. Okay, then is hold the magic check in your hands and feel it as real as you can. अपने feelings को समय check करना है. If you are in an irritable or disturbed mood, please don't do it. Only when you are in that happy and joyful mood, the chapter said, na, joy. Combine joy with gratitude when you're filling the check. So when you are holding the magic check in your hands, imagine, visualize purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you've received it. You have got it. Just feel that. And take the magic check with you today and you place it wherever you can see it often. आज खाली हमें 2-3 बार देखना है. कल से you can see it in the morning, in the evening, before you go to sleep or any other time. But आज तो at least 2 occasion में hold करना है. It at least मतलब minimum है, maximum आप कर सकते हो. At the end of the day, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you'll see it daily. तो आप अपने विजन बोर्ड में भी उसको स्टिक कर सकते हो या आप अपने बाथरूम मिरर में स्टिक कर सकते हो, बट प्लीज डोंट कीप इट इनसाइड योर अलमीरा और इनसाइड योर ड्रॉर. Please don't keep it there. Also, you can do one thing. Okay, so that's your choice, wherever you want to. So these options are given to you. I don't want to tell you right now. So when you've received the money on your check, or if you've received the item you want to spend the money on, again, you can make a new check and repeat the steps 2, 3, and 4. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day." And thank you, Ishita ji, for reading the chapter for us. Thank you. So yes, I think the magic check looks like this in this picture. You won't be able to see properly, but I'll send it to you on our chat. And yes, you can take a printout, as many printouts as you want to, and you can make the check. So you can also tell, if any one of your family members, if they believe in it and if they've understood whatever it is, maybe or maybe not, it's an option. I'm telling you, you can tell them also to make the check. But first, my first suggestion is that you can make the check for yourself. Yes. And see the magic happening in that area of your life. Yes. Anybody who's on the call have मैंने पूछा था लेकिन बाद में कुछ लोग join नहीं कर रहे थे. After that, people have joined. Okay, no, those people only. Okay, fine. So yes. So anybody has any sharings, anything to ask, you can ask now before we end today's session. Everyone has understood about the magic check? Yes, no? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now then we can end today's session. Thank you for being in the session today, and have a magical day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.